Hello everybody, it's me, Sanko, WoopaGaming with WoopaGaming, and today we're going to be showing you how to use and install the SimpleSpleef plugin for Bucket.
Indeed.
So what does this do?
Well, it allows you to play Spleef with your friends, quite simply. Well, the first thing you need to do is set a region up with World Edit. If you don't have World Edit, you're going to have to stand on the blocks individually and type in a command, but we have World Edit, so it's okay. So we set the first position, and
So this creates the overall arena
indeed.
for us to use.
So you need to type SPLA, then arena, and then it says define section in arena default using World Edit. Okay, so that's all good.
Yeah, it's all good. And now you need to define the actual floor. So
Wait a minute.
there's the snow. Now you will have to go in the config to add things like snow. Default is just dirt and grass, but we added snow because it's more traditionally played with Spleef snow.
So to define the floor, choose your 2 points, type SPLA floor. And we've now just defined the floor in arena default using World Edit.
And now you need to do the lose area, so that will be the water underneath. So when you die, or not die, but when you fall down, you'll land in the water, or you can use lava, and if you land in the water or touch lava, then that counts as a loss. Okay.
Oh, it's so slow flying through water, it's unreal.
Yeah, no. So now define the lose region.
That's SPLA, what do I type after that?
Just lose.
Lose. There we go. So now it says define section lose in arena default using World Edit.
Right, so now we need to do the spawn.
Points.
So let's make this one the lounge.
Okay.
Oh, I just need to enable editing on this. Oh, you can do it actually. Type in SPLA space disable and then default.
Default disabled, right.
Yeah, that just allows us to edit this so that you can place the spawn points in. So go in there and now type the spawn point for the lounge.
Alright, so to set the spawn point, you're going to put SPLA spawn lounge, as Sam has put there, and it'll say set spawn in area. Set spawn lounge in area default.
Now we're going to do the spectator and lose spawns, place them in there. So they do the exact same, except you type lose instead of lounge and spectator.
Oh, of course. PLA spawn spectator. There we go, all done.
Alright, and now just the last one, which is the final game spawn. So it's just the spawn type is game. So slash SPLA spawn game.
Done. Okay, that's interesting.
Right, so that's all the spawns. Now if you just replace this glass, can you enable the spawn area again? Not the spawn area, the Spleef arena.
Done.
Right, so now let's join it. So we need to type SPL join and then the arena. So
it's called default. Xtorrent has joined the game in the Spleef. Oh Jesus Christ, it's a bit cramped in here, isn't it?
A bit cramped, but as you can see, you might want to make it bigger. So now we're going to start this up. So SPL ready. I think it's ready, yeah. And we all have to type that. You typed it?
Yeah.
Oh, there we are. So now...
Alright, you ready, Sam? You ready? You ready?
I haven't got any
I'm
items.
gonna own you. I'm gonna own you. I'm gonna own you.
You can own me, are you?
Yeah.
Ready? Right, oh yes. It's a bit small, but...
Oh, I almost got you. Yeah, yeah, you gotta jump over. You gotta jump over.
You gotta jump over. Oh dear. Yes!
Oh, what was I
wow.
both doing? No! Yeah, I win.
Fair. No fair.
Oh yeah. Oh
My
yeah.
dog
I got some
teleported
glowstone.
me.
Woo!
Basically, I'm in the lose area.
You're right over there. You're right, noob. You're in the place of shame. Do you want another round? Do you want another
You also
round?
have to find items that you can win. And you can see the Spleef arena has reset itself. So you're going to do it again?
Yep.
SPL.
Join default.
Join. You can also... Oh, okay. Fair enough.
Time to go. Oh no, get that dog away! No! No!
That's not my... Don't attack it. Right. No,
Ah.
this is so fake.
Wait, who won? Who was it? I fell down first, didn't I?
I lost. This is I lost.
Oh, fantastic. Well,
So you can teleport back to your original location by doing SPL back.
oh, I see. Okay.
Just teleport you
And
back.
get a nice
to
message saying zoom.
Zoom, yeah. You can also watch arenas by doing SPL watch and then the arena name. Default. Oh dear, I'm gonna die because I'm swimming.
Oh, you can only watch it when there's an active game, of course.
You can, yeah, of course, and you can have as many arenas as you like, and then when you've got more, you can do SPL lists, I believe. SPL lists. Oh no, SPL arenas, and then it shows you the arenas in the server.
Default Spleef Arena. Okay, cool.
You can have as many as you like, and Torrent's going to go over the configuration.
I will indeed.
But hopefully that gives you a rough idea how to use it.
So thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you like our videos. Alright, we'll see you guys later.
Thanks and bye-bye. Hello, it's Torrent, and now I'm going to go over the configuration and installation for SimpleSpleef. Okay, so nice easy installation. Simply drag and drop the SimpleSpleef jar from the link given in the description. Start it up, you'll get a SimpleSpleef directory to be created. Open that up and there should be 4 files: config, sample config, language DE and language EN. Just going to go over the language ones quickly because they're nice and simple. The language EN is obviously English. Pretty self-explanatory. For every command there is, you get to just change the language of it. So if you're not sure on what it says, then you can change it. Like for instance, when it said zoom, you might not want it to say zoom, and so you can change it here. There's also a config here, and this is what the main thing I'm going to go over. Okay, so this is the settings, this bit I've highlighted, and I'm just going to go quickly. So update notification on start, so this will just send a notification when it started on, and then an update notification on login. So if Spleef Arena requires an update, it will notify anyone with the required permission nodes. The default arena name, so default is arena name. Enable the user sign. We didn't go over this in the tutorial, but you can look at that on the thread. Announcing all these sort of events, so game, join, ready, so it will announce the server whenever these are done. You set that to true or false, and then again, prevent teleportation during games, you can set that to true or false. But what we're most interested in is the actual arena config. So this is the default arena config. We can change the name of it, so that's the name there. We can change the type of it there. We can set whether it's enabled or disabled, so you might want to set this to true. You can set how many players are allowed to play on it, so a minimum and a maximum. If you set the maximum as 0, then that means effectively infinite number of players. Remainder players win, so if there's only one player left, they automatically win. But I'm going to show you the bit that you'll be quite interested in is the allow dig blocks over here. So by default this is dirt and grass, but say you wanted a clay Spleef Arena or a snow block like we did in the tutorial, you'll want to add these blocks here. So I've added the snow block to the allow dig blocks. And again, here you can change all the item prizes and entry fees if you're using economy, and you can also have prize money for players that win, again if you have an economy system. Okay, so you can set here as well what items they're given. So this is set false by default, but players receive a shovel at game start, you can set that to true, and then when the game starts they'll get the shovel, and then they'll lose the shovel at the end. And then you can also define what type of shovel it is. I mean, for instance, you could potentially have allow dig blocks as say like diamond ore, and then the shovel item being a diamond pickaxe. So you can basically customize it however you really want, but traditionally you use a spade. It's a countdown number again, as we saw, 10 seconds. You can change that to what you like, and then all these other commands. And then this, you don't really have to worry about this, but these are just the locations for all the points. I wouldn't change them unless you know what you're doing, so just leave them as they are. And that goes over the configuration. Thanks for watching. This has been me, Torrent from WoopaGaming, signing out. Jukes, it's Sam here.